Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to change the oil on my 17 Streetglide. After this one, we're also going to be doing the 16 Fat Boy Low. She's tucked in the back, way over there. Anyways, we're gonna change out all the oils, all three of them actually. So here we go. We're gonna go through each tool and we're gonna go through the kit that I bought. You don't have to do that. You can buy any kind of oil that you want. I just so happen to be going to Harley's. I'll try to show you underneath the bike. That's kind of why I have it sitting on plywood right now. Makes it easier because plywood isn't the color of the ground, and it's gonna be much easier to keep track of tools and nuts and bolts and stuff that are just sitting on the ground. Anyways, let's get going. First things first, more of a precaution just so I don't get crap all over me. Here's what we're gonna need. This is an Allen key that goes on the end of a wrench. 3/8. You also need a T27 if you're gonna do the chain case cover on the other side of the bike. We will get to that in a few minutes. The other thing you're gonna need for the drain plugs is a 5/8 socket. We're gonna go ahead and pull all these guys right now. Pretty clean, actually, but it's very old, so we're not gonna risk it. This one should be a little darker. There you go. Yep. You have two taps here. One, you can just undo by hand. The other one is when you're gonna need your 3/8 Allen. That goes right inside. There we go. This is loose. All the dipstick also. Stay tuned. I'm gonna pull the other plug right now and show you how that's done. Right under the chain case cover, this little guy. I don't know if you can see over the side. This out of the way. See that bolt right there? No, I can't even see it. That right there. Bingo. A little snug. There you go. Get that out of the way. Pull the oil pan under. And don't let go of this screw. There you go. And I can already see it's a little gray. Alright, so moving on to the chain case real quick. Pretty clean. The oil's nice and clean. That is gonna be new. Get that O-ring right out of there. Yeah. Yep. But that's pretty much, that's all you want. Nice and clean. So unfortunately, my wrench is at my office and I'm going to be doing this a little differently. It's going. Okay. Alright guys, so that is something I like to do. Get a paper towel or some kind of towel. Try to maneuver it underneath your oil filter here, because once I pull this out, there's gonna be oil everywhere, and oil should start flowing very soon. Here we go. Try to get it out as quick as possible. There's stuff going everywhere. That is a very, very messy job. Try to get the old napkin out, get a new napkin in there. That's pretty much the messiest part of this. Now just make sure you get all the excess oil anywhere it might have dripped or leaked. Trick, holding the oil filter glove, roll it right off your hand, right onto the actual filter. And now, hands are still clean, oil filter is pretty much trapped in there. I'm gonna go ahead and do it twice, taking both gloves off. But now the filter is not gonna leak all over the ground. So yeah, toss that aside for now. So what we're gonna do right now is get these ready for the new kit. Just peel these guys right off. We do have 3 new ones. Yep. Take it off. New kit. Alright, just slide them right back on. 1, 2, 3. So now we have all 3 ready to go. No Loctite or anything. Don't need any of that. Next thing we're gonna do right here. Make sure this sits in. Nice. Put it right in the groove of your cover. Okay. Let's put the other plugs in. We're gonna go back around, put these right back. We're gonna put these back in. Yep. Get our 5/8 wrench back. Tighten these guys up. Give it a couple little nudges. That's it. Just tighten her up a little. The last one, if you guys remember where you took it out, this guy goes right up in there. So we tighten this back up. Once again, they're just rubber O-rings. Give it a little. Now what we're gonna do is get the oil filter ready. Take your filter out. All right, I got chrome because my bike is chrome. Open up a little bit of your oil. You'll need a little bit on your finger right there. We're just gonna get this all, make sure the O-ring looks nice and wet. I'm gonna pour a little directly into the filter. So hold the filter upright as long as you can because there is a little bit of oil inside. Just thread it right on. Take the hands off a little. Alright, so what I just did was just hand tighten the filter. And you want to do this because once the bike heats up, that filter is going to lock onto that bike. One good drive on the bike and you will need a wrench to get it back off. So anyways, let's fill this thing up and get her to start. So we are ready to add the oil. I'm gonna do here. Take my dipstick out. And put a funnel. Alright, we're gonna dump 4 quarts in here. On the muffler side of the bike,